Hi, Yang Yos. Alam mo ko si Yoseng Ho. Our hearts have been so bad. Been to war. Lots are here to carry on. We don't believe no more. Oh, what if we got saved? 'Cause it never happened to us. How could we be? 'Cause baby, here we are, victims of love, a broken down affair. The sun, you see the debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe we're the victims of love. Cannot retreat. So guys, nandito na naman tayo. The showman versus showman. Ang cute. Mahal na mahal ko rin yung isa't isa. Alam na love ko to. So, sino na naman?
Ilang araw kung wala ha. Nangis kayo. Mamaya. Ano?
Mamaya wala kami pasalubong ha. Alis-alis ka. So huwag kang uwi na walang pasalubong.
Sige na, hindi ka na ng $1,000 na naman nasasabi sa akin.
Hello guys.
Yung t-shirt ko mami, hindi na large. Small.
Nabibigyan ka!
Mayat na ako eh. Very small na eh. Dahil inom na nga at pagpastatin. Wala na yung plaster. Ano lord na nga ng mga plaster?
Hello guys. EXO na naman. Shiny na naman. BTS na naman. Oo. Ay. Nabudol na naman tayo. Si Park Sojun, pati si Park yung 6. Pati na rin si Goara. Si Dara. Come true. Pwede naman tayo Our hearts have been to battle, cause souls are into war. Yang Yong So, at saka si Yoseng Ho. Don't believe no ng beast. Oh, what could we could say? Cause it never happened to us. How could we be? Cause baby, here we are, victims of love, the broken down affair. Cause send to see the debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe we're the victims of love. Cannot retreat. Oh, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa iyo, yung sob talaga. Nagusto ka na naman kung sino talaga ang nasa isip mo. Bye-bye po. Yang Yong Sobyar.